everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Before I share a little bit about today, it's Friday night by the way. I think I filmed a few clips yesterday, although video-videonya lumayan random, but I think it's fine, so enjoy this first few clips. Halo, lagi apa?
Lagi kerja, lagi try out new code.
Alright. I don't know about you guys, but recently I've been watching a podcast while working. Tapi podcastnya actually not that good, a bit trashy. Tapi I just feel like it's so fun to accompany me while working. I am almost done with work. I just got ready actually because I am going to a connect group tonight. The connect starts at 7. Sekarang jam 5.45. So I still have few minutes to finish up my work. What I'm doing right now is I'm working on Ragam. Aku lagi ngedraft a consultancy report. So di Ragam, one of our service is marketing consultancy. We wanted to have a weekly call with this client, tapi I think the client is pretty busy. So he wanted everything to be online. The idea that we had in mind is I think we can just compile our suggestions into a single page every single week, and in that suggestions we will literally list down all of the action items that they need to do, even our strategies and why we think that will work. So it'll be a very detailed report. So I am doing that right now for the first week and planning to send that tomorrow. The suggestions that we're giving are for both ads and website. I love doing it so much. It's just a lot of writing but super enjoy it. So I'm gonna do that for a few minutes. Terus jam 6.30 kayaknya aku baru bakal on the way. I want to bring you guys to my weekend here. I actually want to plug Jason's startup. It's called Kavena. Please check out their website to know exactly what they are doing, but essentially they are helping Indonesian companies by building AI for them. It's really cool. So if any of your companies need help with AI or interested in joining the team, maybe you guys can go ahead and check out their website. To the apartment. Lokasinya di River Valley. It's so quiet here.
Good morning guys. Nggak sih, ini udah afternoon. Tapi sekarang aku baru dapat package special. Package special ini tuh actually my birthday present. Waktu aku masih di Indo, kan aku birthday. Waktu itu kita vlog nggak ya Beb ya?
Dikit, tapi belum dipublish.
Belum publish. Ini adalah the gift gitu, tapi baru nyampe. Soalnya kemarin itu pre-order katanya Gisel. Ya, bener ya?
Yes.
Iya. Kita udah mau buka package-nya bareng. Ini I'm super excited. I know what it is. It's a keyboard. Tapi I don't know how it looks. I don't know how it sounds. Okay. Wow. So this is the main box. Whoa. Iya, ini kayak literally built from scratch gitu loh, Beb. Oh, wow. 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 It's metal. Aduh, ini tapi susah ini bikinnya. Oh my gosh. Kita harus screw it ourselves. Yes. Ini bahkan ada kayak rubber gitu. Nah, ini the most important thing ever, the PCB.
Itu apa tuh?
Plate sama PCB ini tuh ya the motherboard yang bikin the mechanism work gitu. Bagus banget sih ini, Beb.
I want to see the keycaps now.
Okay, let's see the keycaps. Oh, perfect. Perfect. There's a place to put it here. Wow, what? The quality is great. Okay, let's see the keycaps now. Whoa! Whoa, it's nice. Aku suka banget, tapi aku nggak tahu cara buildnya. You nailed it, babe.
Good morning guys, jadi sekarang aku lagi cariin video tutorialnya for Jason to build his new mechanical keyboard. Aku sebenarnya gak ketemu videonya, I'm pretty sure ada customer lain yang bikin tutorialnya di YouTube, tapi aku pengen cari yang originalnya dari the brand itself. Dan aku ketemu sih di websitenya, it looks like this. Harusnya yang ini, I think this should be pretty helpful. Not really a video, tapi there are a lot of pictures and explanations. And it's very technical, very detailed. Never mind, aku juga ketemu original tutorialnya dari mereka. So I'm also gonna send this off to Jason. But anyways, welcome to Singapore. Today is Saturday and I am gonna try a new cafe. Cafe lumayan dekat, jalan kaki 12 menit, and it looks really cool. Cafenya kayak Japanese vibe and there are a lot of good pastries and small little cakes. Tapi aku sebenarnya pengen kopinya sih, of course. And then I'm gonna meet a couple of friends for lunch, also near this area. We're eating Korean. I am hungry. Aku kepikiran terus pengen banget makan Korean karena aku udah lumayan ngidam. But after that, I am trying another dessert cafe. It's called Quake by Olivia. It's a cheesecake? Yeah, it's a cheesecake. And it looks so good. Let me show you guys the picture. Look at that. The cheese is so thick and it's super famous here in Singapore, so I really want to try that one out. Habis itu udah, I'm gonna spend the rest of the day at home. I'm just gonna work, I'm just gonna chill. Such a homebody girl and I just love spending time at home, and I'm gonna also call Jason tonight. So that's the plan for today.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So, sekarang aku lagi di mobil. Hari ini hari Sabtu. I am in the car wash. Lagi ngantri ini, sekarang mau ke car wash. Udah lama aku nggak cuci mobilnya, jadi we're just gonna go in and then kita bersihin mobilnya supaya kinclong. Ini kayaknya udah kotor banget beneran. Jadi ya udah waktunya lah. So here we are. Ini lagi ngantri nih, waiting for that car. Terus habis itu dia bakal muter ke kanan gitu, jadi kayak ular gitu. Ini lumayan ngantri sih, tapi I think it's good. Alright, tadi aku baru lewat kasirnya. Ternyata sebulan itu $13. Dan kalau sekali wash, it's like $19. Jadi kayak lebih murah, sebulan dapat unlimited, ini $13. So aku bisa cuci kapanpun, which is great. Setiap minggu aku bisa cuci, dan totalnya $13. Hai Agis gitu.
Dari sini, but she's still here, like with us.
Hai Agis.
Hi Agis.
Yeah.
Aling na, ikot ha.